Ch-15, District Administration and Judiciary. Our country has 29 states and 7 union territories. Each state is divided into districts, districts into developmental blocks and tehsils into patwar circles. This is done for better administration and convenience of the people. This helps in exercising control, and immediate attention can be given to the problems faced by the people. In the state of Rajasthan, there are 7 divisions and 33 districts. The district is the most important unit of all these levels, and the overall progress and development of a district depends upon the efficient functioning of the district collector. No more. The position of the district collector was created by Warren Hastings in 1772. The main functions of the district collector were to supervise general administration, collect land revenue, and maintain law and order in the district. Functions of the district collector. The district collector is the highest officer at the district level. He performs various duties. He functions as the district magistrate, district collector, that is panchayat, revenue collector, and the chief election officer of the district. All the administrative work of the district is either directly carried out by him or by others under his guidance. The various department heads working in the district administration are Police Superintendent, Chief Medical and Health Officer, District Education Officer, District Agriculture Officer, District Planning Officer, District Public Relations Officer, District Forest Officer, District Employment Officer, Executive Engineer. District Collector and District Administration maintain peace, law and order. Superintendent of Police, Assistant Superintendent of Police, that is ASP, Deputy Superintendent of Police, that is DSP, Circle Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Head Constable, Constable. Maintain land records and collection of land revenue, Additional District Magistrate, Subdivisional Magistrate, Tehsildar, Assistant Magistrate, Nayab Tehsildar, Land Revenue Inspector, Patwari. Providing facilities for public, District Supply Officer, District Forest Officer, Chief Medical and Health Officer, District Education Officer, District Planning Officer, District Planning Officer, Link between government and people, Public Relation Officer, Assistant Public Relation Officer. Functions of Treasury, Treasury Officer, District Headquarter, Sub-Treasury Officer, District, Sub-Treasury Officer, Tehsil level. Main functions of the district administration: maintaining peace, law and order. The primary function of a district magistrate is to maintain law and order in the district. To perform this function, he is assisted by a large police department headed by the Superintendent of Police, that is SP. The SP is further assisted by the Assistant Superintendent of Police, that is ASP, the Deputy Superintendents of Police, that is DSPs, Circle Inspectors, Sub-Inspectors, Head Constables and Constables. There are additional district magistrates, that is ADMs, subdivisional magistrates, that is SDMs, and tehsildars to maintain law and order in their areas. Maintenance of land records and collection of land revenue. The district administration also keep a record of the types of lands in the areas and updates them continuously. The patwari of the village divides the land into different categories, gets the field measured, keeps a plan of the fields, the names of the owners, and all the other related details. When the crops are ready, the patwari prepares the records known as girdavari. He also collects tax from the farmers known as land revenue. Maintenance of regular supply of grains and other food items. The district supply officer controls and directs the supply of essential commodities such as food grains, kerosene, diesel, petrol and gas cylinders. Another important duty of the district administration is to render help to the victims of natural calamities by supplying them food and other items and providing other relief measures. Providing medical facilities. The district administration is also responsible for providing medical and health services such as vaccinations, family welfare, women and child health care. It also organizes de-addiction camps, runs dispensaries and hospitals, chief medical and health officers at the district level along with several other health officers at the block level help in carrying out these functions. Providing facilities for irrigation and agriculture development. The District Irrigation and Agricultural Department looks after the proper functioning of the Agricultural Department. It arranges for irrigation facilities, ensures proper supply of the electricity and availability of good quality seeds and pesticides to the farmers. Preparing district plans and executing them. The central and state governments have initiated various programs such as Poverty Eradication Program, Literacy Program and Development and Upliftment of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes for the upliftment of the people. It is the responsibility of the district administration to see that these policies and programs are properly implemented. The district administration draws up the district plans and implementation programs with the assistance of other district departments. Developing forests and protecting environment. The forest officers are responsible for the development and protection of forests and forest land as well the protection of the environment. Holding elections for constitutional institutions. The district administration also organizes elections for various constitutional institutions such as Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha and Panchayati Raj from time to time. The district collector is the chief electoral officer who carries out his responsibilities with the assistance of other officers. Working as a link between the government and the people. The district administration functions as the link between the government and the people. During any natural calamity, the district authorities collaborate with the state government and arranges relief work, medical relief and food for the victims. It also keeps the people fully informed about the programs and policies of the government. Solving problems and disposing of the complaints. Jan Anubhav Abhiyog, that is Public Lag Indictment, and Satarkata Samiti, that is Vigilance Samiti, look into the complaints made by the people and solve them. The complaints are generally related to electricity, water, telephone, transport, pension cases, encroachment on government land. Running educational administration. At the district level, there are separate primary education and secondary education officers. They enforce education rules, supervise the proper functioning of the schools, award recognition to private schools, organize games and sports tournaments at the district level, and other programs. Block primary education officers work at the block levels. Other functions. The district administration is also responsible for making arrangements for the visit of dignitaries such as the President, the Prime Minister, the Governor, the Chief Minister to the district. District judicial system. In a diverse nation such as India, disputes are bound to arise. The Indian judiciary helps in solving these disputes and conflicts in accordance with the laws of the country. The judicial system works to resolve these kinds of disputes between people. Civil disputes are related to property, money, purchase of goods, marital disputes, rents and contracts. Criminal disputes relate to murder, assault, theft and violation of laws. In criminal cases, initially a first information report, that is FIR, is lodged with the police, who then probes the crime and ultimately a case is filed in the court. If the accused is found to be guilty, the sentence varies from simple fine to death sentence. Revenue disputes include disputes regarding ownership of agricultural land, transfer of agricultural land and land revenue. The deputy tehsildar, additional collector are the judicial authorities who solve the revenue disputes. The district collector is the final court of appeal in these cases. At the district level, there are three types of courts: civil courts, criminal courts, revenue courts. There are some special courts at the district level: the family court, the court for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, the labor court, the motor vehicle accident court, and the district consumer court. Lok adalats. Lok adalats or people's court are inexpensive courts which resolve disputes in a single hearing. These courts have lightened the burden of the courts and as a result, the pending cases have reduced. The Lok Adalat is chaired by a retired judge who is assisted by a lawyer and a social worker. The disputing parties present their case before the court, which is solved through mediation and consultation. There is no option of plea against the decision of the Lok Adalats. Lok Adalats are very famous in Rajasthan. The District Legal Service Authority provides free legal service to the poor and the needy. No more. Lok Adalat is very effective in the settlement of money claims. Disputes like partition suits, damages and matrimonial cases can also be easily settled before Lok Adalats, as the scope of compromise through an approach of give and take is very high in these cases.